Bollywood is beautiful, Bollywood is glamorous. Bollywood gives you stardom that we all wish to live with. But Bollywood has some dark secrets that not everyone knows about. And addiction to glamour comes with a price. And sometimes stars do not realize what they do to themselves in the process of being famous. So let's check out a few celebs whose drinking, partying and drug habits have ruined their lives. Starting with Pooja Bhatt. Pooja Bhatt recently stated that she had inherited drinking habits from her father and she drank as it was socially acceptable norm, but it also ruined her system. In a recent interview, she said, "I was 45 and if I wanted to give myself 10 years of living, I had to quit now before I drank myself to the grave. I had to reclaim the sharper, brighter me which had got watered down. Luckily, I pulled the plug before it became impossible for me to stop." Sanjay Dutt. If you are a Sanju Baba fan, you will know that Sanjay Dutt, who has spent a lot of time in jail, was also a big drug addict, who also spent a lot of time in rehab due to his alcohol and drug addiction. Arjun Rampal. Arjun Rampal's career could have reached great heights if his hard drug habits wouldn't have been an obstacle for him. Mahesh Bhatt. Mahesh Bhatt is in news often for his work, controversies and so on. Mahesh Bhatt's first marriage faced a lot of trouble due to his drinking habit, and it seems Pooja Bhatt also got involved into drinking looking at her father. Amisha Patel. The girl who wooed the audience with her bubbly nature in Kaho Na Pyar Hai got lost in the process due to her wrong choices of drugs and drinking. Bobby Deol. He is usually in news for all wrong reasons these days, and also he has always been in news for his drug habits. This makes us wonder whether the infamous Gupt song incident in a popular disco happened because he was tripping on something. No offense, Bobby. And if Bobby ki baat hui hai, to let's talk about his father, Dharmendra. The yesteryear superstar had drinking habits, and he had also confessed in an interview that his drinking habit was the reason he could not rise above Amitabh Bachchan. Manisha Koirala. Rumors have it that Manisha Koirala was a drug and alcohol addict before she was diagnosed with cancer. Fardeen Khan. Fardeen had won the Filmfare Best Debut Award, after which things looked pretty good for this star son. But trouble was just around the corner when he was remanded by the narcotics department for the possession of cocaine, and things were never the same again for him. Last but not the least, Aftab Shivdasani. The actor who managed to charm people with his acting in Mast lost his fame after 2005 when he was accused of doing drugs at an event, and then came the downfall. So what do you have to say about this, guys? Let us know by commenting below.